Hi everyone, and welcome to my brand new channel. My name is Brenda and I'm so excited to be here with you guys today and so excited to create some awesome and fun content for you guys. So for today's video, I thought it would be fun to do a Shein try-on instead of a Q&A. So if you don't know what Shein is, it is an online website where you can purchase anything from accessories to clothes to shoes, and most of the stuff on there is pretty affordable. So I went ahead and purchased a few items a couple weeks ago, and I have worn some of these items, but I still want to show you what they look like and how they washed and all of that fun stuff. So if you are interested in seeing what these items are and how they look, go ahead and stay tuned. So this first top is a super cute crop sweater top. I love the color. The quality is actually pretty good. I was surprised with that for the price that I got it for. It is cropped, so if you don't like that, this might not be the top for you, but this is one of my favorites. This next one is also very beautiful. I really love the sleeves on this one. The sleeves are a little bit puffy, but they kind of cinch in at the wrist, so it's not too big. I love the color. This is one of my favorite colors. And the length on the arms is pretty good. It isn't a crop top, it's a regular sweater. You can wear it tucked in or you can wear it out. It looks really pretty both ways. And I just have it paired with some jeans. But this is a sweater you can totally dress up or dress down, and that's what I really love about this sweater. I also really love the neck. This next item is also very cute. It is a coat, but I wouldn't necessarily call it a coat, although that's what the description is on the website. The material isn't very thick, it's actually pretty thin, which I personally like because where I live it's not very cold, so you can wear this in the springtime and maybe transition a little bit into the summer. But I love this pattern. It's super cute. You can pair it with some jeans for a casual look, or you can add some heels to make it a little more chic. So the next thing I got is this super cute pantsuit. I love the blazer. It's super unique. I like the openings in the arms. It looks so fun and girly. I love the fit of it. It actually is the perfect size. It's not too tight. It fits perfect around the waist. And yeah, I love it. It's super simple but classy. So this set I was super excited to get. I love the color, and I guess the fit is not the greatest. It is very loose around my ankles. It's not too tight. I could have probably sized down, but I don't know. I'm not really feeling this too much. I don't know if I'll get any use out of it, and I don't know. I might return this one, but if you guys like it, this is the fit. This is how it looks. And yeah, my favorite thing about this one is the color. It's so pretty. Okay guys, so we are down to the last item of the try-on, which is these leggings I'm wearing here. They are very comfortable, very stretchy. I do like these a lot. I did size down in these, and I'm actually happy that I did that. I really like the fit. I like that they come up above the belly button. That's how I usually like to wear my leggings. They are a little breezy because they have this sort of mesh material along the legs, which is actually really cute. I think it adds some fun to the leggings, makes them a little different. But yeah, these are really great. I think I'll be using these a lot, and these are definitely something you should look into picking up. Okay you guys, so that's the end of the try-on. I do want to show you a couple more things that I got. It's just two more things. I got these super cute pair of earrings there as well. I like them a lot because they're really simple. They can go with any look. You can dress them up, dress them down. Super cute and super affordable. as well as this necklace here. Lately I've been into crystals a lot, and I ordered this one and I think it's super pretty. The only thing is that I feel like the crystal on the website looks a lot better than the one I got. This one looks more like plastic, I guess. It doesn't really look like a actual crystal. Although the necklace is super pretty, it's super cute. I honestly don't know if I'll be wearing this crystal. I was thinking of maybe putting my own crystal on there because I do love the necklace. But yeah, those are the last two things in this try on. I will be linking everything down in the description below in case you're interested in purchasing any of these items. And so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and leave my social media so you guys can follow me. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give me a like, subscribe, and please leave a comment down below and let me know which was your favorite item in this try on. And so we'll go ahead and see you next time. I am going to be trying to upload 2 times a week, so be looking forward to that. Hit the notification bell, that way you guys are up to date. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye!